Hello out there, welcome to this lesson. It is multiplication of two-digit numbers by 2. So, let's go. We take our first example, 21 times 2. We are going to arrange this 21 times 2 in block form. So we have 21 times 2 as 2, 1. Then the 2 will be under 1. Multiplied by, this is 21 multiplied by 2. So we go digit by digit using these 2 to multiply every digit. So we have 2 times 1. So the method is we start multiplying from the back, from behind. So we say 2 times 1 gives 2. 2 times 2 gives 4. So we write the 4. And 21 times 2 gives 42. Okay? So we go to the second example from here. Second example, we have a 32 times 2. We arrange in the same way again. This is 32 multiplied by 2. We start multiplying again from behind. So we use these 2 to multiply every digit starting from the second digit. So 2 times 2 gives 4. We write the 4 under 2, and 2 times 3 gives 6. So we have a 6. And our answer by multiplying 32 by 2 gives 64. So we go to the third example. The third example says 43 times 2. 43 times 2. We arrange it again. 43 times 2 will be 43 multiplied by 2. We start using these 2 to multiply every digit in 43, one after the other from 3. So 2 times 3 gives 6. 2 times 4 gives 8. So we have 43 times 2 giving us 86. So we go to the fourth example. For example 4, we have 52 times 2. We arrange again. 52 times 2. Then we start multiplying again using these 2 to multiply every digit. 2 times 2 gives 4. 2 times 5 gives 10. So we have our 10 here. So 52 multiplied by 2 gives 104. So that gives 104. Example 5, 64 times 2. 64 times 2, we write 6. 4 multiplied by 2. 2 times 4 gives 8. And 2 times 6 gives 12. So we have the 12 here. 64 times 2 gives 128. For example 6, we have 81 times 2. Arranging it again, we have 81 multiplied by 2. 2 times 1 gives 2. 2 times 8 gives 16. So I have a 16. Therefore 81 times 2 gives 162. Problem 7. 67 times 2. For 67 times 2, we arrange it again. 67 multiplied by 2. So we have 2 times 7 gives 14. We are going to write 4 and carry the 1. So this is 14. We write the 4 here and carry 1. 2 times 6 gives 12. Plus this one we carried here gives 13. So 67 times 2 gives 134. For example 8, we have 86 times 2. Arranging it again, 86 is equal to 86 times 2. So we are going to multiply out digit by digit. 2 times 6 gives 12. So we write 2 and carry 1. 12, write 2 and carry 1. 2 times 8 gives 16. 16 plus this one gives 17. So we have our answer as 172. Example 9. We have 79 times 2. So 79 times 2 will be arranged as 79 multiplied by 2. Now 2 times 9 is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 2 times 7 gives 14. 14 plus the one we carried here gives 15. So 79 times 2 gives 158. So example 10. For example 10, we have 88 times 2. So arranging 88 times 2, we have 88 multiplied by 2. 2 times 8 gives 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 2 times 8 again gives 16, plus the one we carried here gives 17. So 88 times 2 gives 176. So this is the end of this lesson. Children, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for watching. Until we come your way again, we are saying goodbye.